The Board of Hunter Manufacturing Awards is committed to recognising outstanding performance by companies in the region's manufacturing sector, and we want you and your team to have the opportunity to celebrate winning one of these prestigious awards. We have asked our team of judges to develop a set of tips to help you create a high-quality application that will do your company justice and give you the best possible chance to win the category. The first thing to get right is choosing the best category or categories that you should enter for your business. For example, is your product primarily the outcome of the design process, or is it more an outcome of a broader innovation program? You may be eligible to apply in more than one category. In a recent example, a company had developed an innovative product for the mining industry that was outstanding in its own right. It also has significant positive impacts on the environment by reducing the amount of concrete normally required for the job. So it was also relevant to the sustainable operations category. In this instance, the same project was relevant and applicable for 2 submissions, just by responding to the different questions in each category. Importantly, read the questions carefully and address all the criteria. Find a way to address each question, making a list of the things you believe you need to include to respond to each question, telling a compelling story about your business. You need to present the challenges, the facts and the figures, and how you overcame a problem to meet a need in the market. Capture the judge's attention and don't assume they know what you know. You have to provide clear, substantive written evidence. Each award category has different weighting criteria to ensure that each submission is demonstrating excellence in relation to the category. So make sure you address every question. Please don't leave sections blank and ensure that you utilise the word count to be able to give the best evidence in relation to your submission. Make sure you bring together the project team to complete the application. Whenever you start to review the application, read the questions in your chosen category carefully and work out who you need to work with within the business to present a detailed, considered submission. Identify your team members and get them on board to support you. When you sit down to write your submission, you need to consider the audience. The judges may not be familiar with your product, your target industry, or even your business. Write the submission in a way that is easy to read, without too much technical jargon. Please keep your responses succinct. With a few exceptions, remember that most categories and questions have a word limit, and even for those that don't, be succinct in your response. Don't take 50 words to say something that can be explained in 15. Tell the judges the business case behind the what and the why. What were your specific goals? Did you achieve them? What evidence can you submit to validate your results? When talking about your product, focus on the benefits, not features. For example, don't spend too much time talking about the technical details of the new suspension system you've developed. Tell us about the improvements that people now experience when riding in vehicles equipped with that system. Support your response to each question with hard data wherever possible. What KPIs were used? What technical results were achieved? What were the process improvement statistics generated? A small amount of general corporate background information is useful, but the majority of the material you submit needs to address the specific elements of each question. And finally, include supplementary evidence. The saying, "a picture is worth 1,000 words," is true. Please use the opportunity to provide supplementary information as part of your submission. The judges will only know what you tell them, but that can include links to websites, videos, pictures, and case studies. Add this information to make your application stronger. Help the judges understand by making complex and technical information easy to follow and comprehend. And remember that each item must be relevant to a specific question. So in summing up, help the judges give your application a good score. Take the time to prepare your submission. Write it in a way that demonstrates why you're proud of the achievements, knowing you can use it within your own marketing efforts too. Allow the judges to get excited about your business and then give them the evidence they need to put the award in your hands on the big night. So on behalf of HMA Board, I wish you well in your application submissions this year. Thank you.